Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here again with another questions related to triangle. In earlier videos, we have also solved the problem related to incentre. So if you are a student of any competitive examinations or standard 10, or are you preparing for IIT JEE or SSC CGL, my videos will definitely help you. So friends, support my channel by giving a thumbs up to the video, subscribe the channel and share my videos amongst your friends. Now look at the questions. Here we have a triangle ABC. Its two angle is given. This angle B is 65 degree and angle C is given, that is 55 degree. And I is the incenter of the triangle. And then we'll have to find the value of angle BIC. So we'll have to find the angle BIC. So our first thing, we'll learn about the incenter. So what is incenter? Incenter divides the angle equally into two parts. Here BI divides the angle B into two parts. So these two angles, this angle and this angle will be equal. Likewise, here CI also divides angle ACB, means this angle into two parts. So these two angles will be equal. Now let's draw a triangle and we'll learn the incenter better way. So this is our triangle ABC. This is ABC. And now AD, this is AD. AD is angle bisector of angle A, means this angle and this angle will be equal. So likewise, we'll take BE. This is BE, line BE. This divides angle ABC into two parts equally. So these two angles will be equal. So similarly, CF will go through this point and this is incenter. So it is CF and CF divides angle C into two parts that are equally. So now how we'll calculate the incenter? Now this angle is called incenter, BIC, means angle BIC, and that will be equal to 90 degree plus half of its behind angle or opposite angle. This angle is behind of this incenter, so BIC will be 90 plus half of angle A, half of angle A by 2. Now in similar way, if we'll have to calculate the angle AIC, this is incenter, this is I, so the behind angle of this is angle B, so the value of angle AIC will be 90 degree plus half of its behind angle, that is angle B. Similarly, now the angle AIB, this angle is incenter angle, so it is AIB and that will be equal to 90 degree plus its behind half angle. So the behind of it is angle C, so it will be C divided by 2. So similarly, this is the incenter angle. Now for calculating the value of BIC, for calculating the value of angle BIC, that will be 90 degree plus half of its behind angle, means this angle A by 2, angle A by 2. So now in the next step 2, we'll have to calculate the angle A. So here the angle value of a triangle is 180 degree and here in the questions two angles value is given. So it is 55 plus 65. So we'll subtract the angle two values, means 55 plus 65, and then we'll get the value of angle A. So this will the value of angle A. So 180 degree minus 55 and 65 will be 120 degree. So the value of angle A value will be 60 degree. So here we have calculated angle A is 60 degree. And now for calculating the value of BIC, that is 90 plus 60 divided by 2, and that will be 90 plus 30. 90 plus 30 will be 120 degree. So this is the value of this angle, 120 degree. So this is answer of this problem.